Are you ready to unlock the secrets of flight? Join us in this exciting video where we transform simple sheets of paper into true aerodynamic wonders. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned paper plane enthusiast, we have incredible designs and expert tips that will help your planes soar higher and fly farther than ever before. Here's what's inside. Step-by-step tutorials. Easy and clear instructions to craft amazing paper airplanes. The science of flight. Discover why these planes actually take off and fly. Fun challenges. Compete with friends and family to see whose plane goes the distance. Grab your paper, spark your imagination, and let's embark on this aerial adventure together. Don't miss your chance to impress everyone with your newfound skills. Join the conversation. Share your favorite designs and wild challenge ideas in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more thrilling DIY adventures.